Say hi, Kevin.
Say hi, Grandma.
Say hi. It's dark, though. Here, try to pick him up, Lucy.
Say hi, Grandma.
It's
Hi.
still dark.
Hi. Oh. Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Hi.
It's so dark that I don't think they're even going to be able to see it. You crying?
Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
Say hello. You can't take the phone. Say hello. I want to see if he can sit up. You see him trying to sit up? I think he's going to roll over now, though.
Yeah, if my leg was in here, he would roll over.
Come on, Renna, sit up. Ready? Whoa! Whoa! Yay! Yay!
He's like
He's going down. He's down. Say bye, I love you.